Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are joining us for the first time, I'm Black Travel Man and I've been living in Vietnam for the past 8 years almost, since 2016, and here I just showcase some places that I travel. So here's a place called the Ruong, and that's Vietnamese for the fields. Well, the is English, but Ruong is fields. So this homestay features small rooms that are situated with a view of beautiful rice fields. These are modern and well organized, clean rooms with a patio that's facing the field with a great view of the mountains, the fields, nature, trees, and a very fresh environment. This room includes breakfast where they have a mi sao ba, which is beef noodles, or banh mi trung, which is bread with egg. Here they have a pool. You can swim at any time. It's a spacious area. This homestay offers bicycles for rent, which makes it easy for you to go around the neighborhood. And we found this nice little cafe where we were able to chill, relax outside, spend time in nature, and enjoy a cup of coffee. This is a cool little van that I like. It could be a nice camper. A lot of places for you to take photos. Hello everybody, we're coming to you here live from Ba Ria. Hello everybody, coming to you live from the rice fields, about 2 hours from Saigon. We're at a wonderful place called Ba Ria. Here you can relax, go to a cafe, chill, enjoy nature, kick it. Coming to you live from the laundry room, the nature laundry room. Yes. Her element. Here we have the shy grass. It's so shy. This cafe has Christmas tree decorations up already, and it's November, but that's okay. Be Roy. Be nay Roy. Alright, this is the final stop. Peace. Bye. Coming to you live from Magic Hour here at the Ruong Resort. It's time for the sunset. The sun and the queen. For dinner we had Vietnamese food, some fried rice, fried eggs, and things like that. Day 2 we went to the cafe and there happened to be a race, a bike race going on. We played a game of chess, had a little bit of coffee, and just enjoyed the morning before we had to get on the way back to Saigon. Yeah, lovely nature, plenty of peace, quiet, and a really calm environment. The fields almost remind me of like a green ocean almost. On the way back to Saigon, it's only a 2-hour ride by van, and we're back. So that's it for today's episode. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you guys next time. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and take care. Peace.